Hello everyone, this is your Kalpana here. In this video we are going to see a problem from limits. So let's get going. Problem. Limit of this expression as x tends to 4. Limit of x square minus 16 by square root of x minus 2 as x tends to 4. Let's find this out with direct substitution method. Check direct substitution method. Substitute x equal to 4 in the given expression x square minus 16 by square root of x minus 2, which gives us x square. 4 square is 16 minus 16 by, I'll write. I'm afraid of writing shortcuts, because some people may not understand direct steps. That's the reason. So 4 square is 16 minus 16 by square root of 4 is 2 minus 2. 16 minus 16 is 0 by 2 minus 2 is 0, which is an indeterminate form, right? Good. Now, coming to the problem. Since x equal to 4 in the expression x square minus 16 by square root of x minus 2 results to 0 by 0 form, which is an indeterminate form, so here one more thing you need to observe is limit of this expression is 0 and limit of this expression is 0 as x tends to 4, right? Limit of the expression as x tends to 4 is 0 and limit of square root of x minus 2 as x tends to 4 is 0, right? Which shows that x minus 4, therefore x minus 4 is a factor common in numerator and denominator. Okay, we'll see. You'll get x minus 4 in the numerator and denominator as a common factor. Okay, a common factor in the numerator and the denominator. Let's see how we are going to get that. Now, coming to the problem again, limit x square minus 16 by square root of x minus 2 as x tends to 4 equal to, we'll write factors of x square minus 16. You're having x square minus 16, right? You can write this 16 as 4 square. And this looks like a square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. So with the help of this formula, we'll get x minus 4 into x plus 4, right? By applying this formula, we'll get x minus 4 and x plus 4. So the numerator becomes, you can write one more step, okay? There is nothing wrong in it. It's okay to write one more step. So I'll write this 16 as 4 square and I'll write denominator as it is. Since this is in a square minus b square form, so I'll get a minus b into a plus b by, you're having square root of 4x, right? Yeah, so okay, let it be. Okay, let's write this. We can change. Let's see what we are going to get in the next step. Here you're having x minus 4, right? The people may ask, where is the common factor x minus 4 in the denominator? See, here you're having root x, right? Root x minus 2. Whenever you get root, we'll be rationalizing it. Okay, that comes in the next topic. So if we rationalize it, we'll get the conjugate of square root of x minus 2 is square root of x plus 2, right? We'll multiply and divide square root of x plus 2, the numerator and denominator. Then the denominator becomes square root of x minus 2 into square root of x plus 2, which gives us square root of x whole square minus 2 square, which gives us square root of x whole square is x minus 4. You'll get x minus 4. Okay, but in this case we are not going to rationalize it. We'll use x minus 4 to bring a root, to bring a factor square root of x minus 2. Okay, if you rationalize this denominator, then you'll definitely get x minus 2, but here we are not going to rationalize. Okay, we'll just write this x minus 4 as, see, you can write this 4 as 2 square, right? And you can write this x as square root of x whole square. So this looks like a square minus b square, which is a minus b into a plus b, right? So you'll get, you can write x minus 4 as, or just replace x minus 4 with root x minus 2 into root x plus 2 into x plus 4 by root x minus 2. Okay, clear? This is also in 0 by 0 form. This is also in 0 by 0 form. This is also in 0 by 0 form. Here now we'll cancel out the terms that makes the total expression 0 by 0. Okay, here square root of x minus 2, just I'm telling the same thing again and again, sorry. Just cancel out the common factors from numerator and denominator simply. Here x minus root x minus 2 and root x minus 2 is a common factor from the numerator in numerator and denominator, so we'll cancel this out. Also, if you check, we put x equal to 4, you'll get square root of 4 minus 2, which is 0. Square root of 4, which is 2 minus 2 is 0. Only these two terms making the total expression to 0 by 0 form, right? So now we'll cancel out these common factors. Then we'll get limit x tends to 4 square root of x plus 2 into x plus 4, right? Now we can use direct substitution method. Substitute x equal to 4 in it. In the expression you'll get 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 8s. 8 4s are 32. Right? So substitute x equal to 4 in the expression. So the limit of the expression as x tends to 4 is 32. Okay. Fine. Now I'll show you by rationalizing it. See, if you are doing this process here, we have not written the denominator in terms of x minus 4. So please don't write this statement here. Okay, it goes wrong because we don't have any x minus 4 in the denominator. Actually, we'll get x minus 4 in the denominator, but here we have not shown that. So just don't write that. We'll show you how we are going to get x minus 4 in the denominator. Okay, I'll just rationalize the denominator and I just want to make it clear. That's why I'm doing this. Okay, those who are interested can listen. Otherwise, if your work is done, you can just go. That's what I can say as of now. Now, here you're having square root of x minus 2, right? The conjugate of this is square root of x plus 2. Just multiply and divide with square root of x plus 2. You'll get limit x tends to 4, x minus 4 into x plus 4 into square root of x plus 2 by square root of x minus 2 into square root of x plus 2. See, this looks like a plus b into a minus b, right? Which gives us a square minus b square. Square root of x whole square is x minus 2 square is 4. See, this is in 0 by 0 form, right? We all know that, right? And this is also in 0 by 0 form. Okay. So now cancel the common factors, which is x minus 4. Right. Now use direct substitution method. You'll get 4 plus 4, 8. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 8 into 4, 32. You'll get the same thing. Okay. Just check it before substituting. In the problem, you need to do rough work so that things get easier. Okay. See, I got 32 in the rough work, so I'm daring to write. "32. Well, we have seen a problem from limits in this video using factorization method. I hope you'll understand. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.